Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Lollipop Fondant. We will cover everything from gathering your ingredients to shaping and storing your delicious creations. You will learn the precise steps to achieve a smooth, pliable fondant perfect for any lollipop design. Get ready to transform simple ingredients into beautiful, edible art that will impress everyone. First, bloom 1 teaspoon of gelatin in 2 tablespoons of cold water for 5 minutes. Next, gently heat 1/4 cup of corn syrup with 1 teaspoon of glycerin and the bloom gelatin until dissolved. Gradually add 4 cups of powdered sugar, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Then, knead the mixture for about 10 minutes on a clean surface until it becomes smooth and elastic. Now, let's add some personality to your fondant. For vibrant colors, use gel food coloring, as it won't thin out your mixture. Add just a few drops at a time, kneading it in thoroughly until you achieve your desired shade. You can also incorporate oil-based flavoring extracts for a delightful taste. Remember to knead well to ensure even distribution of both color and flavor throughout the fondant. Once colored and flavored, your fondant is ready for shaping. Roll it out to about 1/8 inch thick on a lightly powdered sugar surface. Use your favorite cookie cutters or molds to create fun shapes. Gently insert lollipop sticks into the bottom of each piece. To store any leftover fondant, wrap it tightly in plastic wrap and place it in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.